In a world of sweets, oh so neat, candy tastes like such a treat. But listen close, my little friend, eating too much can be a dead end. Fruits and veggies, colorful and bright, they make us strong, fill us with delight. So let's munch on apples, carrots, and beets. They keep us healthy, oh so easy to please. Candy is fun every now and then, but fruits and veggies are our best friend. For a strong, happy body, day by day, let's choose the healthy, yummy way.